Welcome to Australian Muscle Car TV. Today we are presenting for sale a stunning Palais white A9X Torana replica. Well, as a matter of fact, you can't really tell whether it is or it isn't a replica. It's so good. Palais white with the brown trim, fully restored car, and looks spectacular. Totally straight, amazing paint. I'll just show you inside. And so the owner offers this car either as the Trimatic Auto as it is now, or it can be fitted with the M21 4-speed gearbox if you choose. But just immaculate inside. Look at that, beautiful trim. And I'll show you in the car first. Radio, working radio, all the gauges work perfect. Bathurst motors. Look at the quality of this car. You can really tell how good it is from inside the boot. The tools, all restored tools. Look at the quality of the work that's gone into it. I'll just show you underneath. Look at the correct look at that, the chipboard correct, spare wheel in there, just immaculate. So let's have a look in the engine bay. Mileage is 211 by the look of it. But yeah, immaculate car. Just have a look in under the bonnet, and then we'll start it in a minute. There you go, you got a fully rebuilt 5-litre V8, and really you wouldn't be able to tell whether this is or isn't a A9X. It's a very it's a 78 model. There you go, we'll start her up. It's a really sweet car, this one. Really can't fault this at all. I guess the choice then is up to you as far as whether you want auto or manual, but it just drives absolutely beautifully. We'll do a few passes so you can hear it run, but just a beautiful, look at that car, what a stunner. Okay, how nice is that? All the gauges are working. Radio works. You've got that nice SS ashtray there. Genuine steering wheel. No squeaks, rattles. Very nice car to drive, isn't it? Beautiful. Just such a good looking car, the A9X hatchback look, isn't it? And this is something you could enjoy and drive rather than only have it keeping, stuck in the garage, because it's so valuable. So as we said, the owner's prepared to change the gearbox, so if you don't want the auto, which is beautiful, the automatic gearbox in this is really good. You can opt for a 4-speed manual. But yeah, very good quality car. interested in more information, check this car out. There's heaps of photos on the Australian Muscle Car website, or give us a call and we can give you more information on the car. Australian Muscle Car Sales. Thanks for watching this video.